How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I wanted to show you some cool functions on the Amazon Echo, and this is just the Dot, I believe, but you can use this on, I'm sure, some of the other Amazon products. You probably can use this on Google Home products too, I'm assuming, if you can do it on Amazon. But this is just something that I kind of came across. But, tell me your thoughts below after you watch this. So sometimes in the morning you don't really feel like getting on your laptop or checking your phone and checking up on stocks. So I realized that you can actually ask Amazon Echo, I'm not going to say her name, about the stock market and just how general stocks are doing for the day. So I'm just going to show you real quick. I'm sure there are a lot more functions that you can perform with Alexa. I tried a couple different things and these were the two that stuck, but I think there are programs that you can add out there, and I'd be interested in hearing your experience with this too. But Alexa, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. I listen once I hear the wake word.
All right, so she is ready to go, and hopefully you can hear her all right, picking up another machine on my phone. So Alexa, can you tell me how the stock market is doing today?
Currently, the American stock market is down, with the S&P 500 down 0.55% at 3,106, the Nasdaq Composite Index down 0.71% at 9,615, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average down 0.35% at 26,178.
Alexa, how did the stock market do yesterday?
As of yesterday, the American stock market was up, with the S&P 500 up 1.36% at 3,123, the Nasdaq Composite Index was trading at 9,683, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 2.05% at 26,270.
So I think those are pretty cool functions that Alexa can perform. I haven't looked to see if other people have shown this, but she can give real-time stock index information, and then she can also give it on individual stocks. So Alexa, what is Nordic American tanker stock doing today?
As of 12:46 p.m. Eastern, Nordic American tanker traded at $4.32 on the New York Stock Exchange, down 2.23% since previous close.
Alexa, how's Amazon stock doing today?
As of 12:46 p.m. Eastern, Amazon.com traded at $2,466.75 on the Nasdaq, down 0.47% since previous close. I found some news about Amazon from Reuters yesterday. Would you like to hear it?
No. Alexa, what has Google stock done over the last week?
This might answer your question. On May 29, 2020, Alphabet traded at $1,433.52 on the Nasdaq. Since then, Alphabet is down 1.2% and currently worth $1,416.65 per share.
So those are some pretty cool functions that she has there. I think they'll probably add more functions to Alexa. But, tell me your experience. Have you ever used Dot or anything like that, an Echo, to give you information on the stock market? It's kind of nice, although I do like seeing it on a chart and seeing it visually. But Amazon is not sponsored by this. Maybe one day if this blows up, I will get a sponsorship or I will apply for the sponsorship for Amazon. But until then, I am not getting paid for that at all. Now, these Echo Dots are really nice. You can tell it to play music and all different kinds of stuff, but they only cost, I think, between $20 and $30. And when I bought this one for my mom, I think I got on sale around Black Friday and it was maybe $22 or $24. So definitely worth an investment of just that little amount. And we're living in a society today where it feels like a lot of work even just to pull out your phone sometimes, which is just stupid. You can ask her to play music without even having to get up or move or anything like that. And it's kind of fun because it's more free-flowing. It's a lot easier to just pull up some song that you want to listen to. So think about getting an Alexa for the stock market and just for the music because it's kind of cool. But this is something that I really like. So again, thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button below. This is not sponsored, but I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.